Hello judges, my name is Ashish Johnson. I'm here to present a tool called Finsight Pro. As the caption suggests, revolutionizing financial document analysis and report generation. Basically, it generates a report for whom BFSI clients such as banks to tackle their most difficult problem, that's called underwriting, which is a time-consuming process. It typically takes from 3 months to 6 months or more than that. So while this document is getting generated, report is getting generated, I'll show you the inner working of this. So basically, for the demo, I took a three annual reports of Google's from 2020 to 2022, and then I have created vector database of this data by extracting all the contents, or the textual content, or the image content, and all the tables as well. So the tables, I have implemented an open source table detection algorithm called table transformer, and that's how it is being done. And this is scheduled as a cloud run job. And then I have created another template called financial statement report, and as well as cash flow analysis report. So this report, what you see, is actually an LLM generated report. Now, using this report, what this tool does is that it's have a vector database. It creates a question based on this template, and using these questions, it does a retrieval augmented generation and gets the answer. Now, using that answer, what it does is that it takes a relevant content from that answer and plug it back to the template as, and that's how it displayed in the UI. Similarly, this goes for financial statement report as well. And because in the interest of time, I have already ran it and then saved it here. Then once this final report is ready, we can save it to BQ table, which I couldn't implement in because of lack of time. But this definitely can be feature added here, so that you can get an instant answer. Now I can show you the next feature, that is called enterprise search. This is very typically retrieval augmented search, but here there is a catch. Here I do so in a typical RAG architecture, you do a semantic search to get the most relevant chunks from your vector DB, and then you augment it with your prompt and the query what you have been asking. So here is what is revenue generated, and then you get the response. Now the question is, since it's a BFSI client and then high stake client, so that's the place where you need to build a trust. And that is how I also do other verification methodology using a technique called LLM as a judge. Here what I do is that I take the answer generated by the LLM itself and I prompt engineer in such a way that, okay, using the chunks got earlier, I tell it to verify it and cite the information wherever it finds the relevant content. And that's how it does. You can see this chunk 5 table 1, chunk 8 table 1, and similarly it generates very well exhaustive result as a report. And these are the textual citation, and these are the tables which is getting generated. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.